All right, everybody. So hopefully at this point, you've had the chance to choose which design you would like to use for your card today. So I'm going to show you a couple of just basic things you can do to customize your card a little bit. So first off, this red box around my image is just a guide. So this is going to show about the size and shape of the blank card that I'm going to glue all my designs down to. So that's just there so I kind of have an idea of how it's all going to fit together. Over here to the right, these are our layers. So in Cricut, every layer is a different material that will be cut and then later put together to create your whole project. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 layers to my image. That means I have 4 different cuts on 4 different colored papers. Once we cut all those layers apart, then we will glue them together on our cards to create our image. So one thing I like to do is customize these layers to be the color that I want to cut my paper out of. So you can do this a couple of ways. If first you might want to go in here and play with each layer and change colors to see how you like it, then go see if you can find colors that correspond before you actually cut it. That's one way. Or if you want to go choose your colored papers first, see which ones you like the way they look together, and then come back and change your colors to match in Design Space, that's totally fine too. So either way, when you are ready to change any of the colors, you just need to click on whichever layer you want to change. So I clicked on my half circle, and I'm going to go ahead and go to this color swatch. Maybe I want to change it to a chocolate cupcake, and that is done. Maybe I want to play around with the purple layer. Same thing, I can go up here. I can change it to any of these colors, or if I don't see the color that I want, I can click on this plus sign and it gives me a whole lot more opportunity to add more colors to it. All right, I think I'm going to go ahead and change that back to purple. So for today, because we are starting with just beginning steps and keeping these simple, we are not going to worry about any of these functions over here to the left. In time, when you are able to learn a little bit more about the program, you can use these to find more images, to add more shapes, and kind of make your own designs. But for today, just to keep things simple and easy, we are going to stick with our pre-chosen design.